If you're getting unwanted text messages on your iPhone and want to block them, don't worry, I've got you covered. Blocking a contact or number is straightforward and will stop those messages from bothering you. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Block the contact or number. To block a specific contact or number directly from the Messages app, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Find the conversation with the contact or number you want to block. Tap the contact's name or number at the top of the conversation. Tap the Info button. Scroll down and tap Block this caller. Confirm by tapping Block Contact. Step 2. Enable Unknown and Spam. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap App. Scroll down. Find and tap Messages. Scroll down. Tap Blocked Contacts under the SMS or MMS section. Make sure the unwanted person's number or name should be here. After that, go back, scroll down, tap Unknown and Spam. Enable this filter Unknown Sender. This will separate messages from unknown numbers into a different tab in the Messages app. By following these steps, you can easily block unwanted text messages on your iPhone, ensuring a smoother and more peaceful messaging experience. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.